forests are among the most fertile coastal ecosystems in the world. The habitat of mangrove forests is soft, silty, and shallow in which essential to the life cycle of marine life. They grow on saline soils and brackish water that is periodically inundated with both fresh and salt water. There are frequent changes in salinity and water level of mangrove forests as tide coming to shore and avid. Mangrove forests may absorb large amounts of CO2 and other greenhouse gases from the atmosphere, trapping and storing them for millennia in their carbon-rich waterlogged soils. One of the characteristics of mangrove soils are regularly waterlogged and unoxidized since it is lacking aeration, which means deficient in oxygen.
Mangroves are important to people because they help stabilize coastline ecosystem and prevent erosion. Mangroves are crucial to the environment. Their deep roots aid in soil biome and construction. The above-ground roots decrease coastal erosion by slowing water flows and encouraging sediment deposition. The intricate root systems of mangrove trees filter nitrates, phosphates, and other contaminants from the water, enhancing the quality of water moving from rivers and streams into estuarine and ocean environment. Mangrove forests provide job opportunities to those fishermen because mangrove forests also provide habitats for fish. Fishermen will gain a lot from the mangrove forests.
There are four main threats to the mangrove ecosystem. The first is water pollution. The water might pollute by the herbicide and development led to the mangrove erosions and habitat destructions. For example, the oil spill caused by the humans that will damage to the mangrove by coating the root and limiting the transport of oxygen. And next is agriculture. The mangrove forests have been destroyed. It will make to the rice paddy, rubber trees, and so on. This will harmful to the surrounding marine habitats and lowering the oxygen level and changing the species distributions. Lumber industry also can threaten to the mangrove ecosystem. The process we call the deforestation for fuel, timber, and cause the cycle of the habitat loss and fishery decline. And lastly, aquaculture also threatens to the mangrove ecosystem. Massive amount of the chemical and the antibiotic will cause the shrimp healthy, and also the contaminate the surrounding mangrove and the coastal water.
At Sungai Dingding, Kampung Baru Setiawan, the human activities such as land clearing activities, deforestation of mangrove trees, and the development of commercial and agriculture industries bring negative impacts on the mangrove ecosystem. The first impact is the population of aquatic wildlife, insects, and birds decrease alarmingly, thus affecting the fish community. Second, the fishes undergo the reproduction process in the mangroves. The deforestation of mangrove forests has forced them to move to other areas, causing the population of fish reduce obviously. Next, the bees cannot build their hive on the mangrove trees as their habitats are destroyed. Apart from that, as the mangrove trees decrease, the population of fish also decreases. It is because the fishes feed on various snails that are living in the mangrove forest.
In this part, I will talk about how to overcome the threats to mangrove ecosystem. First, set up bamboo fences to restore the eroded floodplains and the fine sediment balance as a precondition for natural regeneration of mangrove forests. Later, it will become part of effective area of coastal protection. Besides, it serves as a barrier to protect seedlings from strong current and sand accumulation along the beach. Next, support the establishment of a mangrove protection area. This area will serve as a site where mangroves will not be utilized for any other purposes. This is not only for the mangroves themselves, but for the fishes that will provide more fish to the local fishermen. Last but not least, help to spread the word about the importance of mangroves. We need to read more about the mangroves and share the knowledge with others. The more people know about the importance of mangroves, the stronger the movement for the protection and conservation of the resources. Much more if we can get into the government officials that make the decision for its utilization. That's all from me.